Point Me is one of the most powerful award search tools out there, claiming to check every frequent flyer program to find award flights for you. And it's very easy to use. But in order to use it, there's the issue that it costs $129 per year to use it, or $10 per month. There's a couple other things to address as well, like did you notice how I said claim earlier? But we'll get to that. Let's first resolve this cost issue. I'm going to show you 2 ways to access this tool for free. It will be useful to know both, and be sure to stick around because we'll actually talk about how I really prefer to use this tool whenever I do use it. Jumping right in, the first way to access this tool for free is by going to amex.pointme. First thing you want to do is go to this website, and you need an American Express membership rewards credit card, and you need to have points, and you'll be able to log in into your AMEX account. And so you'll click this button here, and you'll simply just log in to your American Express account. And I've already logged into this before. It may prompt you with a question or two, and then you just click through that, and it'll take you to this main page. Now this is just a general Point Me interface, so very easy to use. Like I said, just type in your origin, your destination, your departure date. You could choose one way or round trip. You're only able to search one date at a time, and then you can specify if you want business and first class availability or economy and premium, and then hit search. Whenever you do hit search, it'll check all of American Express transfer partners, which include all of these, and then it'll pull up the award availability, and I'll show you what that looks like here in a second. Because if you don't have an American Express account, you'll probably need to access the tool this way. And so with Bilt Rewards, you'll need to create an account in order to access the tool, but you don't actually need the credit card to access it and to log in and to create an account, and it's free. So if you don't have an account already, you hit sign up in the top right hand corner button on biltrewards.com, or just log in. In order to access the tool, you need to select the travel menu button on top, and then it'll automatically take you to the search page. And now you'll want to toggle over to flights instead of hotels, and then you'll want to hit transfer partners, because if you just search on the Bilt travel portal, you're going to search on like their Expedia type interface, but in order to access point.me, you'll want to hit transfer partners, and again, just type in your origin, destination, and your dates. You can also specify economy and business, and so the Point Me is built into Bilt's interface. And so once you search, it'll search all of Bilt Rewards as partners. Now if you're wondering what the difference between these two websites are, well, it's the difference in transfer partners. And so if you look at my free transfer partner guide, which is linked down below in the description and in the pinned comment, you can see the differences here because they're side by side, American Express and Bilt. So theoretically, if you're on American Express's page, they'll search ANA on American Express, but not on Bilt. They'll check deltas, but not when you're on Bilt, and etc. And so you can see all the differences here. And so between Bilt and American Express, you should hit just about every transfer partner. However, you may have to go between the two websites. Okay, moving on, let me confess something to you. I'm actually not the greatest fan of Point Me, and I'm gonna show you why. Let's search. This is the purple bar here that tells you that it's searching. Whenever it stops searching, it stops being purple. And so I'm gonna take a look at it as we time it. And so Point Me is slow, and that's okay, but the problem is I'm a fan of speed over accuracy to some extent. And so although Point Me is still a great tool, I don't use it for all of my searches. The way I use it is by using it as a final check. So I do all of my searching on different tools, and then I finally search on Point Me to make sure I'm not missing anything. And so if you want to know the award search tools I actually use, be sure to check out my award search toolkit down in the pinned comment and in the description. I'll have a link down there for you. And so there I kind of detail all the other tools out there, what I like to use, what I like to use them for, etc. So be sure to check that out because we're still searching, and it's been over a minute. Now I did have to cut that scene because I messed up. If you want to know, it just took over a minute for this specific search while we're on camera, but I did that same search just a moment ago whenever I was practicing, and that took like a minute and 40 seconds, just so you know how long it could take. And then going back, you remember whenever I said they claim to search every award partner? And so if we go and look at our results, they have good options. You got the British Airways, which is hard to find on terms of an award search tool, so that's great that I found that at that great price. This is last minute award flight availability, by the way, which is why you can see this Japan Airlines here, and it's got these other options. If we look at the same results on Bilt, you've got the same Japan Airlines. You don't see it on British Airways, although Bilt does transfer over to British Airways as well, so that's interesting. And then it's got some other options as well through United, which American Express does not have a transfer partner. So you can see that it showed British Airways on American Express, but not on Bilt. And then if we also go look at Cathay Pacific, which is a transfer partner of both of these banks and rewards programs, programs, they do have that same availability at 63,000 points. Granted, British Airways is better, but if you're looking for all your different options, it doesn't pick up all of Cathay specific availability, and this is true for other award programs. And this issue of not picking up every single award flight available is what I call an outage or a hole, depending on the actual problem at hand. Now, this problem isn't unique to Point Me. In fact, it's true for all award search tools, and if you want to know what you could do about that problem, I highly recommend you check out this video I made for you up next. My name's Michael with Nurse Michael Travels. Be sure to like this video if it's been helpful for you, and don't forget to subscribe for more great content like this. I'll see you in the next one.